Guys, do you like my little lights in the background? It's so pretty. So I hope you guys don't mind too much that I'm not like in full glam right now recording for you guys, but I literally just came home from work, so this is me without the full glam, without the lashes and all of that. But I did place an order on ULTA, so I just wanted to come on here and share it with you guys. So the first thing that I got is actually a repurchase. So this is the E.L.F. Total Face Sponge. I ended up buying two because I love it so much and I always need to have a backup of the sponge. I probably will never purchase a beauty blender ever again because these are $4 a piece and the beauty blender is 20 bucks and it's not as big as this, and I feel like this blends out and gives my face like a flawless finish as opposed to the beauty blender. Okay, moving on, I ended up picking up some lashes. These are the triple push-up collection lashes from Kiss Cosmetics. I love this line. If there's any like style that you see that you think you may like, please go pick them up because they are so comfortable to wear. So the styles that I normally buy from them are Teddy, but I ended up seeing Garters and I fell in love with these. So I'm really excited to try these out and letting you guys know if I like these more than Teddy, so we'll see. Okay, this is the one thing I'm the most excited about. This is a holiday gift set from Ofra Cosmetics. I paid 25 bucks for this, but it values over $36. I will say it is a little bit smaller than I had anticipated, but I mean, it's okay. I love Ofra Cosmetics and I love all of their products, and I know I'm not wasting my money when I'm spending it on them. I'm not going to swatch these for you guys. I'm sorry because I actually bought this to gift to someone. So I'm just going to show you guys what it comes with. So in the middle here you have a little mini Ofra highlighter. This is in the shade Rodeo Drive. I don't think you'll be able to see it on camera. Yeah, there's no way. But this is a gold kind of champagne type of highlight, and let me tell you guys, Ofra Cosmetics highlights are so beautiful. Like, please go and spend your money on them because I'm telling you, they are worth buying. You also do get two little mini liquid lipstick. You get the shade Americano and Tuscany. Americano is more brown and Tuscany over here is more on the purple mauve tone type of color. Oh, probably should have taken this out before I started filming, but it's fine. Alright, so the second thing I'm the most excited about is this contour palette from Makeup Revolution. It is their Ultra Professional Contour Palette. This is what this looks like. I love the packaging, nice and sleek and shiny. And this is what the inside looks like over here. I think you get, these are like two highlight shade. Let's swatch this and see what it looks like. This one over here feels a little dry, but this one at the bottom here feels nice. I don't think these are going to be my favorites. I mean, the white one looks nice, but I don't think I've probably ever used this. But the banana shade looks nice, and these contour shades. Okay, this is another repurchase. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner, of course, in the color black. I love this liner. It is so easy to do a wing liner for me when I use this, and it's so comparable and even better than the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Because let me tell you guys, the Kat Von D tattoo liner I was obsessed with, but then I was like, I do a wing liner on every single look that I do. I'm going to be spending so much money on liquid liner. I need to find something that I can use on a daily basis that isn't going to break the bank. I'm so happy that I found this one from NYX because it's even better. I will never repurchase a Kat Von D tattoo liner ever again. Okay, this is also another repurchase. This is the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. I love this mascara. Like, I don't know why, but the first time I used this mascara, I did not like it, but now I cannot live without it. Okay, don't make fun of me, guys, but I don't know how to pronounce this. I think it's Biore? I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. Let me know in the comments below because I feel like I can never say this correctly. But these are the deep cleaning pore strips. I really needed something like this because I have a lot of like whiteheads on my nose, especially on my chin right here. So that's why I purchased this. Oh, look at that. I ended up buying two of the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is just to show you guys how much I love this liner because I always need a backup. I'm probably going to use one for myself and keep one for my clients. Alright, another repurchase is one of my Holy Grail lip liners. If you guys have been watching me, you guys already know what I'm gonna say. These are the Wet n Wild Gel lip liners. If you guys have not tried this, please do yourself a favor and go try these liners. So the color that I got in both is Gone Burgundy. I absolutely love this color because it literally goes with every single lip color that I own and want to do. Even if I wanted to do like an ombre type of look, this goes with everything. And what I love about these lip liners is that they're so easy to apply, they do not bleed, and it is retractable. One of my pet peeves that I've kind of learned about myself is that I absolutely hate lip liners that I have to sharpen. I don't like it. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do the work. give me a retractable liner, please. So the last thing that I purchased here was a Colourpop Luxe lipstick. I absolutely love these lipsticks. This is in the shade Appy. Oh no! I'm not gonna lie, I do not like this at all because it's more of like a peachy type of nude. I'm more of like a brown tone of nude color. I will say though that the Colourpop Luxe lipsticks are a beautiful formula. I'm not gonna return this because I think if I use that lip liner from Wet n Wild and kind of make like an ombre lip, I think this is gonna look pretty, but I'm a little disappointed with this only because of the color. Okay, so with my entire order, I got a free NYX palette. Okay, I'm like a little confused as to why they still give these to us. Like, do people use that? So this is what the palette here looks like. It has really pretty colors. Let's see. Ooh, they feel nice. Very, very promising. I'm excited to try them. Look at that brown. Wow. I'm impressed. I'm impressed, guys. Okay, so this is the end of my little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any things from ULTA that are your top favorite things you want me to try out, list them down below in the comments below and I will definitely go out and purchase them. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe as well as follow me on Instagram and I will see you in my next video. Bye!